If you see the error, there was a problem loading your messages, please try again on Instagram, then here is how to fix it. So let's get started. Let's begin with the most easiest trick. Check your internet connection. Drag down the control center from the top right corner of your screen and check if you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi network or not. You can also switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data if needed and restart your router if using Wi-Fi. Try another network to rule out the connectivity issues if needed. Once done so, go back to the iPhone's home screen, and once you are back, then all you have to do is look for the App Store icon available in your home screen and simply tap on it. Once inside the App Store, all you have to do is tap on the search address bar and search for the Instagram app and tap on the Instagram app from the list. Now tap on the update and update it to the latest version if update is available. Now, once updated, all you have to do is force close your Instagram app on your device. All you have to do is swipe off from the bottom of your home screen and force close the Instagram app. Then simply tap on the Settings app from your iPhone's home screen. Inside Settings, scroll down and tap on the General option available in there. Inside General, tap on the iPhone storage. Inside iPhone storage, from the list of the available app, tap on the Instagram. Then tap on the Offload app and reinstall the Instagram app to your device. And that will be. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.